Encountering a PBMP file in your Pegasus Mail data folders and wondering what it contains? These store image attachments specific to a long-running email client. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to handle these Pegasus Mail bitmap image files. My professional advice: when standard programs fail on a tricky PBMP file, you need a secret weapon, a piece of magical software. We'll cover that after we try 3 main fixes. A PBMP file is a proprietary bitmap image format used exclusively by the Pegasus Mail email client. Users encounter this format when they receive or try to open an email containing an embedded image sent from Pegasus Mail. The primary challenge is viewing the image outside of this specific email application. The PBMP format is a simple uncompressed raster image format, similar in principle to a standard BMP. It was likely designed for simplicity and direct integration within the Pegasus Mail client, prioritizing ease of implementation over file size efficiency or broad compatibility with other image viewers. The specific reading module for PBMP files is provided by Pegasus Mail from David Harris. To view all media streams, the file must be opened in a dedicated container program. Windows can show a flattened version of the image, but editing layers or effects needs real tools. Let's proceed with the compatibility verification. Right-click the PBMP file and select Open With. Test Pegasus Mail if it appears. If not, choose another program. Different software handles the PBMP format's nuances differently. If your PBMP file will not open yet, do not panic. This PBMP file is proving resistant. That means we need hard data. Let's immediately test these primary failure points to isolate the error source. First, opening in Pegasus Mail. Launch Pegasus Mail and navigate to the message containing the PBMP file. Double-click the attachment to view the image within the email client. Pegasus Mail handles the file format, natively displaying the bitmap content. Use the Save Attachment option to extract the image to your file system in its standard format for use elsewhere. Next, renaming extension. Try renaming the PBMP file extension to BMP and opening in standard image viewers like Windows Photos, Irfan View, or XNView. If the underlying format matches standard bitmap structure, the rename file opens normally displaying the image. This approach often works since Pegasus Mail uses common image formats with custom extensions for its internal organization. Finally, trying universal viewers. Open PBMP files in versatile image viewers like XNView, MP, Irfan View, or GIMP, which support many image formats. These applications attempt to identify the actual image format regardless of file extension. If the file contains valid image data, the viewer displays it correctly, enabling extraction by saving in standard formats like PNG or JPEG. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. Because the specialized software couldn't access your file, you need a dedicated universal solution. FileMagick is the one I always recommend. Visit filemagick.com for details. That was the final fix. If you love fast answers, please give this video a quick like.